Alright guys, it looks like wojak is on the verge of literally exploding right back into these levels up here. This could be the most easiest 1x you can get right now within wojak, and once we do get up to that 107% move to the upside, I could only see ourselves breaking through this level to get up to around about over here and eventually blasting away completely out of the last highest high and into a discovery phase. So we're currently only roughly around about 205% away from its all-time high. So if you'd like to get your easiest 1x, now is the time to get into wojak. And also, I'd like to share this information with you because it's kind of an urgent trade call. Right now with wojak on Solana, it's only at $163,000 market cap. That is insanely tiny. This is a biohazard, quite literally a biohazard cryptocurrency on the Solana with a huge, big meme coin. This has a crazy potential. And guys, if you get in now, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. If you get in now with a market cap size of only 163, then guys, this could be definitely one of those coins that you could quite easily 1000x from where we are now. This is no shill. I truly believe that we can easily get up to a 100x first, 100 firstly 10x from here. That'll put us at 100, so that'll put us at 1 million. And then if you're looking to get 10x from here, it will be at 1 million. 100x from here, it will be at 10 million. 1000x, it will be at 100 million market cap. I'm sure you can see the potential behind wojak on Solana. This is truly a gem, and I also found another gem which I will share with you on my next video on today. So if you haven't yet done so, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated for my next video, which is my next insane trade call, as big as wojak or even bigger. Subscribe to me, that way you've been. Also have a little browse on my channel so you can see all of the other latest updates I've been dishing out. I've actually got two big videos coming out after this one. One is a surprising meme coin that's actually on Solana that will do as insanely good, maybe even better than wojak. And also I do have one more massive video coming out today incorporating several meme coins all wrapped up into one video that will give you an insane ahead of the market where you can quite easily make 100x minimum on each of these coins, and some of them are an honorable mentions where we can quite easily do 1000x. So if you do find it interesting, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification button, so once I do release my next two videos for today, you will be hit with a bell notification for those two important videos coming out today. So keep it tuned, guys. And then finally, before we get into this video, I'm always going to do like a weekend roundup on the rest of the cryptocurrency coins. That's also worth subscribing to my channel. That way you be stayed up to date with all the latest technical analysis and what do we expect for the week coming up. So anyway, let's get back into wojak. So if you get in now, then it looks like we could be on the verge of literally breaking up from where we are now to hit that 108% move to the upside. So let's do a full screen. Here we are. All right, so the first area that we need to clear first, it will be this zone here, which I would draw a rectangular box. It's literally from here to there. Reason why, because the minute that we do break well above this high over there, that means we should be clawing our way back up to this region there. As you can see, I've got two lines over here. I'm going to just delete one of them. Oh, actually I won't delete this one, because by zooming in slightly, and if we look further to our left, it looks like that was the last high. So as we've gone up to our all-time high. We then pull back into this region over here. That should have been a support, but instead, no, what happened was we actually went up slightly. We'll pull back into the real support area here, which was the last all-time highs on this line, and then we capitulated further down. Obviously, we've been following BTC as BTC been rallying up fairly decently. As soon as it makes a few percent down, it really pulls down the rest of the market, especially the meme coins. So as we can see here, it really did pull us down, like literally more than 100% move over here. I did accumulate around about down there. Took heavy profits because I was keeping an eye on Bitcoin. I will also do a video over the weekend on how to trade by using many confluences such as BTC. But nonetheless, guys, if we continue to watch what's going on here right now with wojak, so the simplest way to trade is this. There is no scientific reason behind this. It is just simply the resistance support. Once we do break up above certain level, it's good to enter, and then we should be heading our way back up to the top. In fact, you could even argue or to say that this area here could be a support, which will be, let me get the brush, you could say this is a supporting area. Let's change this color into white. Let's thicken that a little bit so it's a bit more obvious. So we can say this is the support because we made that nice parabolic move to the upside, and as we made a pull and a retest back into the support area, we could then say that this is a resistance. So now what we can do is we'll use this green line here as a well, let's change this color. In fact, we could say that this area here is the resistance. We'll change that into green, and then we'll swap this color out into red as for support. Oh, wrong one. Let's do it down here as supports. So that means that since we bounced up from here, we are looking like we're going sideways for a little bit. In fact, we see a slight pullback now on the 4-hourly chart. We could possibly go a little bit sideways for a little while longer before we ultimately break up to the top. However, zooming in a bit more, as long as we can see a clear break above this level right up here, which is the green and the red candle there, as soon as we see a break up and a close above this level and above this rectangle box, then our first target should definitely be up here, and that will give us a nice 108% move to the upside. So if you put in $100, you get, sorry, if you put $100, you get $108. If you put in $1,000, you get $1,080. You get the gist, guys. This is like really simple trading with memes. That's why I do love to intraday trade memes, because on a day-to-day basis you can make some pretty decent gains with more or less minimal risk. I mean, there's always a risk of you losing any money, but the thing with trading like on spots via the decentralized exchanges, you can still make pretty decent moves without using any perpetual trading such as leverage. If you are an experienced trader, then by all means, have at it. If you're not and you just want to simply just do your trades on a day-to-day basis, then guys, go ahead. You may also like to subscribe to my channel so I can share that in my future videos on how you can trade, how to trade memes, so that way the bigger the profits that you get, you can then use your profits into your main portfolio hodl, which could be your any other cryptocurrency, of course. So you can use your meme coin to trade, such as this, for instance, to make 100-200%. Take some profit out, reinvest your profit into your favorite alts or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Ethereum looks like it's on the verge of climbing up to its all-time highs and beyond. Later on, there'll be more videos on Ethereum as well. So anyway, guys, this is just a quick little video to let you all know that this is more or less like an emergency trade call. to let you know that the second we do break up from here, then guys, we are literally on the verge of smashing through towards that 108% move to the upside. And then once we get up to that 108% to the upside, we then only have 92% to its all-time highs. And once we smash through there, I would not be surprised if we were heading our way up towards that 100x first. So if you find my channel useful and informative, guys, do me a favor. One, subscribe to my channel, scroll down, check out my last few videos, check out my breaking news on Wojak, ApeCoin, and Success Kid, and I'll see you all in the next one.